What's the meaning of admiringly? Admiringly. 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 Admiringly is an adverb that describes an action or statement done in a way that shows admiration or respect towards someone or something. It implies a positive and appreciative attitude. For example, a person might speak admiringly of their favorite artist's work or look at someone admirably for their achievements. The use of admiringly helps to convey a sense of appreciation and admiration that the speaker has for the subject of their admiration. It is often used when expressing praise, compliments or approval of someone or something.